very limited transport, it doesn't go very often, so all our facilities are far away from us and it's our only way of getting there. It makes it very difficult for us to do anything during the day. You can either go early in the morning or late in the evening.
And how often would a bus come to and from school?
Just once.
Just once?
Yeah.
Once at the end of the day
Yeah.
and once at the beginning of the day, and there's no other buses throughout the day?
Where's that bus at?
What time even is it?
It's actually supposed to be like 15 minutes ago. Where is this bus at?
So where do you live?
Cushendall.
Cushendall. How often are you able to get transport?
If you want to go to Ballymena, you can go early in the morning up on an early bus, or you can wait until mid-afternoon before you go. And
Hello Mum, he could pick us up, it's freezing, wait in half an hour. What do you mean no? So we'll have to walk then?
for Belfast, we need to get a bus from Ballymena and then wait on the train. The times don't really match up for that either, so you're sitting in Ballymena waiting before you can even get any further on.
I'm sure your parents can get frustrated then.
Definitely, they can't take us everywhere and I'm always ringing them for lifts places. It's not really very useful for them.
Fair enough. Well look, we're here to help and we want to give you the voice because we want to make a change to those issues.
Social media is good news so much these days that we can definitely use it for something positive and see if we can get somewhere by highlighting the issue and letting other people see what we think, and I'm sure there's a lot of people that would agree with us.